What says you, brother? I work, you're working a youth? Brethren?
Make your move! Make your move, man!
Wagwan sports fans, welcome back to another vlog. I'm your host Joe Meyer.
I'm Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and everything sports topics, discussions, debates and vlogs on the internet. Man like Emil in the building.
What's up, sir?
Alright bro, what we up to? What we on about?
Bro, it's a match here going on. People them know what time it is, you know, Matchday vlog behind the scenes. You know, interviews coming later, player interviews, coaches interviews. And I like video, bro. Listen, we're gonna get some work done right now.
Alright, today we're going to watch a match. It's a big match.
Big match?
I think it's a big match. Because St. Jamaica High School are coming off of what is a huge victory in their zone, you know, beating the current runners up in the zone. And now they face the team atop the zone. Jamaica College, so can they pull off 2 back-to-back upsets? That would put them in prime position to go ahead and not only qualify for the zone, but qualify automatically. What do you see?
Yeah, this is true. And I'm pretty sure St. Diego want to make it to the second round. We spoke to the coach last time they played, you know, when they played Holy Trinity at Excelsior. And he mentioned, yo, if we win out, then we're in prime position to make it to the second round. So let's see, bro. Right now, kind of cheering for Jacob, bro. I like Jacob as a team, and they have some good players.
Is it because of Brandon Sullivan?
Hey, Brandon Sullivan gave us a good interview, you know, bro, from Guyana.
From Guyana.
So
we appreciate the fact that, you know, the cultural integration. Jacob coach spoke about recruiting. I'm all for it. Your recruit, come Jamaica, come improve football. Who knows? Get the man a passport. A lie me a tell? A lie me a tell? Yeah, but people, we're up on the bad Mandela. You know them way they will drive, touching their prison oval, but not for the wrong reasons, for the right reasons. Because you know, say people like we don't really do the prison something. You know them way there? And people they see me in my bad cap, you see Russian what kind of color shirt that's
no, focus on the trim, bro.
Oh, the dog just a cut.
Yeah,
you see man's like Emil. Emil, show the man in your cut now, bro.
I think so. Damn. Yeah, bro.
I like tell. So I'm me alone kind of rough. So I'm going to keep on the cap same way, people. But, yo, what's your new style, bro? We'll show them.
Let them see what I got.
So, yeah, people. The IDs, them just reach, so you know, so we think official now. We're not going to show them too much because we don't want to know. And identity theft and them stuff. You know them way there, bro? But we have the IDs them, so we just have to go to prison over and assume we place as accredited journalists and bring the bad content to you guys.
Yep.
Stuck in a little traffic still, so we're gonna go back and have some no bomber reasoning until we come out of the traffic, alright?
Alright.
Alright, people.
People, we're there, the team there. Man, they're still here, man, they're still here. No stop. Good.
Yeah, people, back again. First off, JC look good. JC look really good. Them have fun with it, you know, them are dominated Jacob, but don't get me wrong. So Jamaica High School, you know, has shown sparks of brilliance from time to time, and they do look like they provide a goal threat here and there. So it should be an interesting second 45 minutes. I'm very curious to see what transpires. What says you, brother? I work, you're working a youth? Brethren?
Sleep, me asleep. Anyways, welcome people. Yeah, good game, bro. I'm enjoying the game. JC look really good. But better than I expected them to look. Diego though, Not quite as good as I expected. They're still in the game though. It's just a 1-0 game and they look like they can take it up a notch. They look like they can take it up a notch. I know they have some quality. So I'm expecting a better second half from them. I'm also expecting a better second half from JC, even though they were so outstanding though. But yeah, it's a good game.
Yes sir Jago, bro. Yo, I can see Sir Jago have players.
It's not coming together up here.
I can also say them a try play a certain way. You know, and you know, there's a one bright spark over there when they built up play and they almost got a cutback that would have resulted in a goal had the Jamaican defenders not been so outstanding. The Jamaica college, sorry. Yo, Jago look just about as good as I expect, considering where they are in the zone, considering their prior results. They look just about as
when I think about their placement in the zone, fine. But it just overall football, the ball is breaking down in the midfield. You have no clue after the ball gets to the midfield. You know, so I'm expecting them to put that together a little bit more. But again, bro, they're playing the team at the top of the group. They're playing one of the favourites, so I can't even judge them too hard. They're 1-0 there in the game. A draw would be a decent result for them. I think honestly, if they get a draw out of this game, come back and get a draw, that'd be good enough for them. But yeah, all in all, bro, it's a good game of football. People stand out of the game so far. What you would have said?
You know, the Jamaica College, you know, has had bright sparks all over the field, but they have a central defender that just seems to be bossing the game, to be fair. You know, he seems to be in complete control. He's never hasted, he's never rushed. He makes only the decision that he wants to make, not the decision that the game is trying to make him make. You know, he's completely in control, and that's what you like to see in a central defender. Obviously a bit on the smaller side, and people would know that I'm very height-cis, especially as it relates to defenders and goalkeepers. But I mean, if your talent can compensate for what you lack physically, then you know I'll take it. And he's obviously a cut above
very, very
what's on display, and I've been enjoying him play.
Yeah, and I think he is. If not the best, he's definitely one of the best on the pitch so far. And I'm enjoying his game. You know, it's rare that you watch a football game. People that really love football, will watch it and enjoy a centre-back's game. I watched the game today and I enjoy watching him play football. Definitely JC stand out for me so far. I think his name is Blake. You know, he featured in the under-20 Jamaican squad over the summer, so I would have known about him. But yeah, good to watch him play, good to see him standing out at this level. Because if you're in the under-20 squad, you have to be a standard.
You have to be.
At the management level. So that's good. And that's something that we ask for. We're seeing it.
Yeah, but all in all, good first half, you know, excited to see what's to come in the second half. You know, will Jago equalize? Will St. Jago continue to go forward and get more goals? You know, anything is possible.
Yeah. If you go and watch them now, what you would have said?
You know, Jamaica College, you know, has had bright sparks all over the field. But remember, central defender that played the pass in the game. You know, he seems.
No coach, make a play.
Yeah. Alright, so we're here with another. Touch it now. Ready?
It's a game that we knew we had the major of St. Jago from the last time we played them. They would have had a few new additions.
I personally think they're from the goal score, which I think is a soft goal, you know. Their minds were switched off and they're gone into the next game because we know that we needed 6 points from 3 games.
So yeah, people, that was quite a game. You know, it ended 2-0. You know, the scoreline was a bit underwhelming, you know, when you come out to a football game as a neutral, you want to see goals and goals and goals and goals. We weren't necessarily treated to a lot of goals, but we did see stints of good football. And you have to be grateful.
Yeah, you said the game was underwhelming, but I think that was a conscious decision from the JC coach.
But he said just as much.
Exactly. So I know you guys saw the interview where he said, we wanted to win this game with
That's some championship talk, boy.
as little energy as possible because he knows that, you know, a couple weeks from now you would need all the energy from his team. So I don't mind it, bro. I wanted to see goals. I wanted to see some more. You know, I wanted to see some better football. But it was a decent game. It was a good game. I'm glad I came, and I hope you guys enjoyed the content that we produced. Yeah, bro. Who stood out for you in this game?
Stood out
I had some players that I
Blake, Jamaica College's central defender. He was solid. You know, he plays at the national under 20 level, and he definitely showed his class. He was a cut above. You know, Dylan John came on, and he was a firecracker. You know, he made an impact, and we'd have spoken to both these players, and amongst other players.
Sullivan from Jago. I have to mention him again, bro. He was a standout. You know, he along with the goalkeeper, he kept Jago in the game for as long as he could. But unfortunately, the team was just outclassed by JC.
And there's no shame in being outclassed by Jamaica. Mr. Smith, views and thoughts.
Which one?
I share the same views as Rush. I mean, I was very impressed with Solomon as well as the goalkeeper. Both goalkeepers, as a matter of fact. What I was impressed with the most is their distribution. Their distribution was very impressive.
Both of them.
Yeah, it was a good game. I thought Jago conceded some soft goals. They could have done a bit better. I thought that if they had pressed a bit more harder, they could have gotten some chances there. But yeah, that's how the cookie crumbles, I guess.
Yeah, in the first half, bro. You know, what am I saying, people? I need to get some things off of my head. In the first half, St. Jago were playing at a higher tempo.
Yeah.
But they suffered some injuries, they made some substitutions, and you saw a quality drop, and they just sat behind the ball. And in the second half, Jamaica College really, and I wouldn't even say JC improved the tempo, but they just kind of stepped on the throat of St. Jago.
Yeah, and the Jago coach still optimistic.
Yeah.
He said that they needed 6 points from 3 games, and he still believes that they can get that. The St. Catherine win that changed the game for them. You know, that put them right back in a good position to make it to the second round. And hopefully Jago can do it, bro. I see some talent there. I see a decent team. But as I say, unfortunately, they're just playing one of the favorites. They're top in the group. They're running away with the group at this point because Jago dropped some points. So yeah, I don't think St. Jago should be ashamed of themselves.
No.
You know, nothing should change in that camp.
Yeah.
You should still feel good about yourself if you're St. Jago. And any St. Jago supporters out there, it was a good game. People, quick plug, bro. We have the match. We're going to have highlights, but we have the match. Go watch the match, guys. And tell us what you think about it. Jago, we're not going to see Pile from defender. Man, a flick ball, man, a try salad, man. What do you think tonight? So check it out, people.
Yeah, but I think we've said enough. You know, we're on our way back home on a nice Friday evening, bro. We'll probably take on the road tonight, go drink up some drinksies.
Oh, it's a possibility.
It's a possibility. So people, if you see we in the street, so we'll go and decide that Sports TV. You get me, I say? But for now, you know, them say all work and no play makes Joe Mara done, boys. So we're gonna take on the Friday evening activities. You see me? They may link up with a couple moms and thing. Yeah. Anyways, people, share the video. No wait, Rush Dating.
People, don't forget to like this one, leave a comment on the video, and subscribe to this or that TV. This or that Sports TV. What am I doing? Sorry.
I don't know.
This or that Sports TV. Subscribe, people. Hit the big red subscribe button. But what else you want them to, bro?
I want you guys to share the video to at least 10 people. But ensure that you get us 6 subscribers. Because if each and every one of you guys can get us 6 subscribers.
Can you imagine how many subscribers that will get us by the end of the day?
Yeah, people. This is that Sports TV.